Hi, I got some questions how to attach my snowblade to my Tesla. In this European tow hitch, it's just a round ball, so it's not easy to connect anything. So, let's see. First, I took the nose of a trailer, the connection here, cut off maybe 60 centimeter, mounted a winch on it, so this one will easy connect here, but it will not stay up, it will fall down, and it's not stable right or left, it will be all over the place. To power the winch, I have a small 12-volt battery inside that I have to charge every 1 or 2 hours of use, because I haven't found any way through the firewall in the Tesla. So if anyone knows a good way to get the cable from the 12-volt battery in a Tesla Model X through the firewall, please send a comment below the video. So in order for this to stay up, I had to build some 3-point receiver kind of. Looks like this. I have a groove down here. This will go under the tow hitch to hold it up, and this will also lock it sideways so it doesn't move anywhere. So take this down here. Slide it in. Lift it up to get it under the tow hitch. Yeah. See, a little bit more. Locking pin there. And locking pin here so it won't fly up if I hit anything. Lock it in place. Also have a chain here to secure it to the car. Okay, so now we have something secure, doesn't fall down, and it's stable left and right. Okay, so then we have the plow here. Takes a little bit of wiggling to get it in place. A little bit easier when it's not snow on the ground, so it's flat. And have some pins here. This one. Oops. The last one. There we go. There it's in place. I have some ice on the ground here that makes it a little bit uneven, so it was a bit harder today. Get it in. And release the winch. Have this block up here. Connect it there. Goes the winch. And have the remote there, in. So, there we are. And then it's time to get these straps in. I have plans to make a motor on it so I can turn it from the inside the car. Haven't gotten that far yet, but it's ready to plow now. Got a little bit snow last night, so the winter was finished, but we have about, I don't know, 60-70 millimeter, 2-3 inches. Not so much in this region, but a good enough excuse to plow. So I'll see you later.